walk up to the door and here, I mean, the perfectly manicured lawn. The wife's a emergency room nurse. The guy's a cop. He's got a Jeep, you know, with on a jack stands, you
Sure.
know, with the carpet and the mirrors and the garage and a Harley. And, you know, I mean, just I go in the house, Ethan Allen furniture, you know, all of it, right? And I'm just like, why am I here? Right? I don't, these people don't need me. So anyway, I was there to do a financial needs analysis for him. So I sit at the kitchen table, and this is back when houses weren't as much as they are today. And I said, uh, so you know, I get to the debt portion and the mortgage portion, and I said, so how much debt do you have outside of your mortgage? And filling the paperwork out. And the guy says 400,000. And I said, no, excuse me, not including your mortgage. And he
Yeah.
said, 400,000. That's why you're here.